Uh, See, I think that politics is a very, very fluid landscape, and that's why this recent development which has taken place is something which will change the landscape of Meghalaya, no doubt. And now it is, I think, very clear to anyone who understands politics that the Congress has split, and the AITC is a very, very new party. For them to start, establishing their base, it takes some time. Even us as a political party, the NPP, also took some time till we were able to achieve this position. So it's going to be a very uphill task for the Trinamool Congress to find its footing in the state of Meghalaya, and so it's easy to split any party and gain MLAs, but it's a completely different matter to go to elections, fight out elections, and build up your ideology of the party, and to seek the votes of people. That's a completely different ball game altogether. So that is something that remains to be seen, how well the TMC is going to fare in that regards.
So, with the current political scenario, how confident are you with the NPP for the 2023 upcoming assembly elections?
See, I think that we as a political party, we've never seen ourselves as looking at, well, the elections are coming near, what do we do about it? We've always seen ourselves as a political party that we have been given the mandate, and as as a party, it is our responsibility to fulfill the aspirations of the people and the kind of responsibility that has been set on our shoulders. So we have been carrying out our work in that regards, and as you can see today, we have inaugurated the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council courthouse. Now this is something which should have been done long time back, right? But then it is because of the leadership of Pat Thombor, and also because of the leadership of Fasmon, that today we've been able to realize this dream and have an own Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council has its own courthouse and court building. Now it may just appear as just an inauguration of a court building, but it has far more implications than that, because this is an institution which is going to be something which will, as we all know, majority of litigation always takes place at the district council court level. So this is really something which is very historic for the people of Jaintia Hills, and I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the people of Jaintia Hills for this landmark achievement. So as I was saying, see, now the NPP has been doing all these things, and we believe that when the time comes, when the elections come, it is the people that will decide and judge whether what we have done has met their expectations or not. And if it does meet their expectations, or it has exceeded the expectations, then the people will vote us back to power to ensure that we carry on the good work that we have initiated and started. Thank you.